Hi, my name is Steve Maheux. I'm the Preparedness Program Manager for the Johnson County Department of Health and Environment, and today I'm excited to introduce our new vaccination clinic in Lenexa, Kansas. We are located on the north side of 108th, just east of the Water One facility. And so we do have signs that'll point you in the right direction. We do have parking on site. We also have a drop-off zone for people who need to get dropped off a little bit closer to the door. And so there will be people here outside helping out with that, and we also have signs indicating where you can do drop-offs. We do have volunteers helping out in terms of wheelchair assistance and other mobility issues. We do have wheelchairs available on site for those who may need them. Just ask anybody in a vest when you get here and they'll be able to help you out. So as you enter the clinic, we have a space here where we may have people queuing up. This is sort of a waiting area for people waiting to get inside, and then inside is where all the action happens. This is our initial queuing area for those waiting to get their shots. You may find that you have to wait here if we have a lot of people on site, or you may get to pass straight through to that entrance over there. And as you can see by this arrow, right through this door is where you'll go to get your shot. And as a reminder for everyone, we do ask that you fill out your medical screening form before coming to the site. If you aren't able to do that or don't bring it with you, we do have an area where you can fill out your forms, and there will be a volunteer in a vest here helping point you in the right direction. The form should be brought for both shots. You fill it out the second time to ensure that you're getting the same vaccine you got the first go around. After completing check-in, you're one step closer to getting your shot. You enter the last line here that'll get you to our vaccinators. After you've gotten your shot, you'll come to our checkout station where you'll get information on your vaccine record card, you'll get information on the vaccine you received, and you'll also have an opportunity to turn in that screening form that you brought with you or filled out. Once you're done at checkout, you'll head over to this waiting area here where we ask everyone to sit for 15 minutes just to make sure that there are no side effects to getting the shot. Once your 15 minutes is up, head towards this yellow arrow here for the exit, and then you'll come back to the same location in 3 weeks. You'll have the date on the back of your vaccine record card. You'll come to the same place, same time, 3 weeks later.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.